Welcome everyone to the demo walkthrough of the idea submission for the Smart India Hackathon 2025. The problem statement ID is 25032. The problem statement title is Development of a Smart Digital Platform to Promote Eco and Cultural Tourism in Jharkhand. The team ID is 74733 and the team name is API Smiths. So, we present you our product, the Aranya, a comprehensive tour guide and seller's companion. The current challenges in the Jharkhand tourism market is that the absence of tailored tools like AI-based guidance and previews and real-time navigation. Government and tourism officials lack data-driven insights for planning and monitoring. Local artisans, tribal communities, and small-scale services providers remain digitally excluded. Language barriers prevent effective communication with domestic and foreign tourists. We propose a solution of creating an AI-powered digital tourism platform to transform Jharkhand's tourism ecosystem. It integrates multilingual chatbot called Mira for real-time guidance and personalized itineraries, geolocation-based recommendation system called the Saarthi Model, suggesting nearby marketplaces and tourist attractions, blockchain-enabled reward system called the Aranya coin for KYC verified sellers, guides, and artisans, which will be implemented through blockchain integrated marketplaces for handicrafts, homestays, and ecotourism. The value we provide is personalized travel experience through AI plus geolocation insights, multilingual support in Hindi, English, and all the languages supported in India for inclusivity, empowerment of local communities through a digital marketplace, and data-driven tourism growth monitoring dashboard for government officials. Next, we move to the walkthrough of our product, the RNA. So here we have three roles: the government, tourist, and the service provider. First of all, government is the supreme leader. The government has all the control about for the tourist and the service providers. We can look upon the tourist views and feedback for and gain a sentiment analysis through our BERT model for providing incentives or the seller's performance. Here government will have an analytic dashboard where he can see the seller's performance, and based upon that performance, the government will pay out monthly the incentives based upon the value of the RNA coin which we provide. The RNA coin is a KYC verified coin which will be provided at the end of every purchase that the seller gets. Next, we move to the sellers. The sellers will have to be KYC verified on our platform. They will gain an RNA coin for for every sale they make. They will have a personalized ID which is KYC verified through blockchain, for which they will be uh, they will have a specific RNA coin. The service provider will also have access to the reviews console, which will be provided by the US tourists. Next, the tourist will have all the facilities mentioned here. The tourist will log in and sign up on our website, through which he will have an access to all the nearby tourist places with the help of the geolocation. This will be powered by Saarthi, the AI-powered itinerary planner for the itineraries for a newly coming tourist. Next, currently this is handled by our Mira chatbot, which is providing itineraries based upon the prompt given by the tourist. The tourist will have access to interactive maps for a specific tourist attraction. He will have the access for marketplaces nearby him, and based upon the facilities, he can provide reviews for the particular sale. Next, we move to a prototype which is already deployed. This is the RNA website. First of all, I would like to show you the government perspective of it. The government employee will come here. He will provide a unique ID and a password. While login, he will have an RNA coin dashboard. The RNA coin values range from 40 to 80 rupees based upon the performance of the seller. You can see that the current price of the RNA coin is 65 rupees and that 1250 coins have to be pay out by the government at the end of this month. The government have an analytic dashboard of about 3 months. through which the government employee can get an idea about what is the total amount to be paid at the end of every month. The coins are distributed upon the categories like handicraft sale, food and beverages, souvenir sale, and tour guide services. Here we can see that the monthly transactions has been grown above from 12% from the last month. The current coin value of the Aranya coin is 65 rupees. The total coins earned by the sellers is 1250 coins, and the total incentive values to be paid out by the government is 81,250 rupees. Next, we have the sellers' information across Jharkhand and the total amount to be paid out to them. Next, the government will have an emotion lens, which means the sentiment analysis dashboard. This will be implemented through the BERT model, which is currently under development. Hence, we can see the sentiment is loading. Next, we go for the seller's perspective. The seller will come to the portal and log in through an email address. The seller will provide an assigned password and his unique seller ID. For example, this one. Login. The seller will have a 6 months point of view. The seller will have the total sales he made, the total revenue he earned, and the total views he got on a product. Next, you can see the total revenue per month, April, May, June, and etc. Sales by category, like the product he has mentioned on the website, Dokra metal art, bamboo crafts, Sohari paintings, and the month-wise incentive and the revenue gained by the seller. Next, the seller can showcase his craft or add a new craft through this portal. He can see all his crafts listed on the website through this part of the page. He can also select edit cart, like he can also edit the total amount. He can set out of stock, everything. He can also have an idea about the marketplace view, like how the user sees the marketplace around him. Currently, it has Jharkhandi crafts, treasures, souvenirs markets, food and beverages, etc. Next, I would like to show you the RNA ID, which is unique to all the sellers. This is provided by the Tourism Department, the Government of Jharkhand. Like the name of the seller is Pankaj Sharma, and all his information is contained in this scanner or the QR code. This is the unique ID which will be blockchain enabled and secured. Next, we go for the seller for the tourist's point of view. The tourist will come to the website, log in through his email and password. Next, the tourist will have all the nearby places here near around him through our geolocation-based AI model. This contains the current places near Ranchi, like the Jona Falls, the Dasam Falls, the Baidyanath Temple, and the Parasnath Hills. Clicking on one, the tourist will get an idea about the current tourist attraction, a brief description about it, and the virtual walkthrough, like a street view. This is the AR we are mentioning about. The tourist can virtually get an idea about the place. Next, he can read the reviews and he can add also one. The map for the tourist tourist facility is also mentioned here. Next, for a new user who has no idea about Jharkhand, we provide a virtual tour of Jharkhand. This has a YouTube video embedded with a vlog of all giving all the idea about Jharkhand tourism. You can see the various cultures and the various places in Jharkhand. Next, we go to the marketplaces. In the marketplaces, the user will get an idea about all the nearby market facilities near him, the handicrafts, the souvenirs, the food and beverages shops, and also the tour guides information, which are ready to help. Next, we go to the beloved Mira chatbot. In the Mira chatbot, we can just apply a prompt like, "Hi Mira, can you talk to me in Hindi?" The Mira chatbot is very quick in response, as you will see in some moments. नमस्ते, हाँ बिल्कुल, मैं आपसे हिंदी में बात कर सकती हूँ. You can talk in Hindi, English, French, German, Spanish, etc. So, this is the seller's point of view. I hope you liked it. This is the end of the demo. We are open to recommendations from all of you. Kindly drop them in the comment section. I hope you liked it, and together we can make Aranya a better website and to promote the tourism in Jharkhand. Thank you all of you for listening. Goodbye.